Now we have to fill our basic info, first name, then middle name, and then last name or surname. Then we have to enter our mother name. Then your date of birth, then religion, then which caste you belong, then location where you live, then your marital status, select appropriate marital status, then give us a little feedback. How did you hear about us? Then we have to fill the next information. Then it's come education information, degree, select the degree. If you are bachelor, then select a bachelor degree. Then from which stream you are doing your bachelor. Then enter your school name, then enter your college name, then tap on next button. Now you have to fill your profession, government or public, defense service, civil service. If you are working in any of these, please select appropriate option. After selecting the profession, you have see the another options. In designation, select your designation. Then enter your company name. Then enter the location of your company. Then salary range per annum. Then click on next button. Now you have to write about yourself. Now you have to see, you have filled your educational professional fully. So there are tick mark, blue tick mark on your educational and professional. Now in the primary info, we have selected. Now input your height, your weight in kg. Now select your blood group, then mother tongue. If you are physically able, then your health information. Then your diet. Then click on save button. So you see that all the primary information are filled. So the blue tick mark are here. Now the family info. In family info, your father's status, so retired from government job or whatever appropriate. Mother status, family native city from where you belong, and family current living city. Right now, where are you living? Then family type, joint or nuclear. Now the number of married living, male in the bottom, number of married sibling, female, then same unmarried for unmarried. Now click on save button. You see the tick mark, again family. Now you have to put your horoscope. In horoscope you have to give it date of birth, time of birth, then select your nakshatra, then gotra, then select your Rasi. Now if you are Manglik, then click on Manglik, otherwise no. Then enter your birth city. The horoscope information you fill fully. So the blue tick mark you have seen. Now you have to put your contact information. In contact information you have to provide the mobile number on which number the interested person may contact. Now you have to put your WhatsApp number. Now you have to put your email ID here. Now the contact time. The above contact information you are provided is of self or your parents or guardian. Now you have to also fill your hobby or interest. Now select the appropriate hobby you like. If you like to add more, if you not find your hobby in this list, then you can also add your hobby here. Now the photo gallery. The photo gallery option is enabled. To enable the photo gallery option, you have to upgrade to premium membership. You have also set your privacy, what the other people see in the profile picture, to everyone to request only the contact information, request only or everyone, income range and display date of birth. You also set your photo here. Select photo from your phone or take your selfie. The photo needs the approval of admin, so it may take some time to approve. You can also view your profile from top. View my profile. Thank you.